Hey everyone, today we're looking at a 2014 Harley Davidson Road King. This is in Mysterious Red. We have the taller windshield, kicks forward a little bit too, makes commuting or just really long distances way more comfortable. Some pretty cool axle caps with the wings. All the chrome on this bike is beautiful. It has the 103 cubic inch engine. We also have the tour pack with a passenger backrest. We have a heel toe shifter. We also have floorboards for the rider and the passenger. And the gas cap is pretty cool. And it also is LED, lights up to tell you how much gas you have. Again, 2014 Road King with the tour pack. Come check it out. We are open for test rides 6 days a week.